Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine, that's great. So, what is today's date? Yes, it's 22nd July 2023. So, today we will be starting with a new topic, that is fundamentals of network. So, what is the topic? Fundamentals of network. So, do you know about network? Yes, okay, internet, yes. You have done, if I will ask you something you have done or not. Do you connected your mobile with another mobile through hotspot? Yes? Okay, good. So, do you connected your laptop with another mobile through USB? Yes. Done? Yes, that's great. Do you have talked on WhatsApp? Yes? Oh, that's great. Do you use Instagram? Yes. Okay, that is very favorite of you. Yes. So all these are connected to network. We will be seeing what is a network. Network is a collection of interconnected electronic devices that are used for communication and resource share. So first of all, what is interconnected electronic devices? Electronic devices, do you know? Okay, so electronic devices are mobile phones, laptops, and other laptops. You have tablets, etc. These are electronic devices. So when we connect two electronic devices, then it is a network. Okay, so now network is used for communication. Why network is used? For communication. Yes. So here we will be giving some example, that is, if I use WhatsApp, then I am sending a message to some other person. So that is communication. When we want to send something to other computer or other electronic device, that is a communication. Now this is communication, and the other term is resource sharing. What is the other term? Resource sharing. So what is resource sharing? Suppose we have 20 computers in our computer lab, okay, and we have only one printer on. So now this printer can print from only one computer to which it is connected. Yes. So now if we want to print from that from one of those 20 computers, we can't take the printer and then attach to that device and then print the job, and after that come and place to another computer. We can't do this. So what we do, we just make a network where printer can be shared by multiple computers. If there are 20 computers in our lab, we can give print command from any of these computers, and the paper is printed or the job is done. Okay, this is known as resource sharing. Is it okay with you? Basic definition is done with you? Okay, so next we will be seeing about types of network. So now, what are different types of networks? There are actually based on two classifications on in computer of network. First is based on the communication channel, based on, okay, and the second one is based on area. So if we talk about communication channel is a way through which we are sending our message. That is, it can be from air, that is from signals. Okay, so if I have given you the example of hotspot. Here, when we connect a computer to our mobile with hotspot, is there any wire or anything between them? No, it's just air where signals are communicating with the devices. So now the second thing is, when we are connecting our computer with mobile through USB, then a wire is between them. So that is a communication channel. So there are two types of network based on communication channel. First is wired and second is wireless. Okay. So I have given example of wired where we connect two devices through wires or USB, then it is known as wired network. And wireless, we are using it all day. When we are using internet on our mobile, we are connecting to wireless. When we are using hotspot, then it is also wireless. So these are the examples of wireless network. Now, based on area, we have multiple categories. First is, what is first? That is LAN, PAN, MAN and WAN. Okay? Do you know about these? No? It's okay. I am telling you. First of all, we will be talking about PAN. PAN is Personal Area Network, which is actually a network connecting devices of a person. For example, I have gave example of hotspot. So this is example of personal area network where two devices are in the range of 2 to 10 meters. Okay, so this is known as personal area network. So second one is LAN, local area network. Here the two devices or the multiple devices which are connecting through network are in the range of 2 to 5 kilometers. Okay, so when, for example, in your school, if one class is 1 kilometer away or your hostel is 1 kilometer away from your class, then we have what we have? Local area network. MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. That is, this network connects multiple cities with each other. So multiple network, when devices are spread across cities, then the network connecting to them is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Then last one is WAN, Wide Area Network. That is the best. Internet is the example of WAN, where multiple countries are connected with each other through network. That is WAN. That is WAN. LAN, MAN, WAN and MAN. So this ends up with the types of networks.